Everyone, we are really quickly going to go over playlist 3 for The Outsiders. So I went to classwork on my classroom and found where it says The Outsiders playlist 3. I then found the playlist here like it always is, and I clicked on it. Here's what pops up. So a couple of things that you need to know before we get started. Our goals for this week would be, for the learning goals, I can formulate an argument based on a controversial question. So we're going to be talking about something that's super controversial and you guys are probably going to have a huge opinion about, and you're going to have to actually create an argument, like a solid evidence-based argument about it. And then the second thing is I will support my argument using evidence from the source, The Outsiders. So not only can you state your opinion or what you think the claim or thesis should be, but you also have to be able to support that with The Outsiders itself. So that's what we're going to be kind of focusing on this week. Monday, we are actually going to be in the Commons. We're going to be doing a screening. And so what I want you guys to do while you're waiting in line to have that done is to do iReady. So Monday is your iReady day. You're going to get 30 minutes or you're going to get 30 minutes or you are going to come or pass a lesson. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are actually going to be direct instruction days. They're going to be direct instruction days. So if you get done with your iReady, then what you should be doing is watching this video to make sure you know what you're supposed to be doing. But if you get done with iReady and you want to look ahead at the essay, that is something that you guys can do on Monday, and I'll make sure to remind you as well. Tuesday, what you guys are going to do would be to read chapter 5. So we're going to read that all together as a class, probably do an Edpuzzle, which I have linked here as well. So you can click on that and do that. Wednesday, we're going to, and then I'm going to introduce the essay to you and give you the instructions for that. The instructions are posted on Classroom. They look like this. Basically, what it says is that you're arguing for, should Johnny be tried for what he did? So should he be held accountable in the court of law for what he did to Bob? The instructions look like this. So again, should Johnny be tried or held accountable in the court of law for what he did to Bob? The template below is what you need to use as your guide, and many of you guys recognize this from the last time we wrote an essay, so you need to use that again. The only thing you don't have to do, but you can if you have time, would be the counterclaim, and we'll get to that here in a second. You also, just like the argumentative essay before, have the links that I gave you guys for transition words or phrases and introducing a quote. So you can use those. And then this video actually, so if you miss something in class or if you need to hear it again and I've already gone over it, this video actually walks you through how to fill out this template and what each area means. So that's what this is. So going back to this, I will introduce that and go over it with you guys on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll do the intro paragraph and the body paragraph 1 together in class. Thursday should be the body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3, and then the last paragraph that you guys would have to do is the conclusion. And so for your independent day on Friday, I ask that you finish the essay, and I think honestly, with the timing of things and how long it took you guys last time, that most of you will get to the conclusion on Thursday, or at least that's my hope. So you'll be finishing the conclusion on Friday and then also reading chapter 6. If you happen to not finish chapter 6 during this week, then it's just homework. Go home, listen to the audiobook, do the Edpuzzle, that kind of thing. If you get done with all of this, because I'm sure some of you guys will just blow through this essay from what I saw the first time and from the scores that you guys were able to get, then I want you to do these may-dos. So come down here and find a good option for you for this week. Please let me know if you guys have any questions about